This time we are going to deal with mega ohms. Meg represents million. So I have 1 million ohms. Ohms plus minus 5%. The very first digits are represented by these two bands. The third band represents the number of zeros. That's why I'm going to have 1, which is brown. The second band is going to be black, because I have 0 here. And the third band represents the number of zeros. How many zeros I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I'm going to write over here green. Because green represents digit 5. And I have plus minus 5%, which is gold. This is the color code for this resistor. Second one, I have 1.6 mega ohms. I can rewrite this as 1,600,000 ohms plus minus 5%. 1 is brown. 6 is blue. How many zeros left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Green. And the tolerance is 5%, gold. This is the color code for this resistor. Let's take a look at the third one. I have 12 mega ohms. This is 12 millions. Ohms plus minus 5%. 1 is brown. 2 is red. How many zeros I have? 6 zeros. 6 represents color blue. And the tolerance is 5%, which is gold. This is the color code for this resistor.